Welcome back. We're flying at Brownie Neighborhood Park. I'd been watching this park because it had been closed for renovations and finally saw it was open. What a cute little park. My goal today is just to play in these trees.
Till I drive you away, I know what you'll say. You say, oh, someone you know. But I promise you this, I'll always look out for you. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Say I say my heart is yours. It's you that I hold on to. Yeah, that's what I do. I know I was wrong, but I won't let you down. Yes, I will. I said, I cried. Yeah, I saw sparks. Yeah, I saw sparks. I saw sparks. Yeah, I saw sparks. Singing out
As always, thanks for flying with me. I hope you have a great week.